When you think your cats are comfortable going in the carrier, you can put them inside and close the door. Reassure them that they are okay and don't let them out if they start to meow. We wait until our cats stop making noise and then we let them out. And you can practice closing them in and letting them out however much you want. Try to only do it for a few minutes at a time when you practice this. And obviously, the more that you do this, the faster they will get used to it. We got all of our cats used to being in a carrier when they were kittens, so it's easy for us to put them in and take